This is woven sack bag flexo printing machine. 6 color 800 mm width. Installed in Malaysia, East South Asia. Malaysia used to print woven sack bags such as rice bag, cement bag, feed bag, corn bag, flour bag. This machine with surface rewing system and crane lift system, chamber Dr. blade system can help save the solvent and improving the printing quality. For more details, feel free contact Mr. Sam from WENZHOU WTO Tech Co. Limited. www.wtotech.com. WhatsApp 86 187 6779 9654.